Guys, welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, something a bit different, something new to the channel. I also want to start doing like car reviews. Well, a mild car review, not really extremely in-depth. Basically a review where I just showcase the beautiful work or how a car looks. So yeah guys, if you have a nice car, you can always DM me. Yeah, direct message me, Instagram, email. Yeah, just go to my Instagram page. So on today's video, I'm at Westside Garage and I want to showcase a nice Cressida because you know guys, I like Toyotas and I really love this Cressida. Like, who doesn't love a Cressida, Joe? William Mahmoud, man. But let me get to it. So guys, here we have it for today's car, today's review. Beautiful Toyota Cressida 2.8i twin cam, beautiful, but I like, oh, just check out this step trims. Like, I feel like this is a must-have if you own a Cressida. Once you own a Cressida, this is a must-have. And thank you to Mr. Ziko for allowing me. But yeah guys, beautiful 2.8i twin cam Cressida. And yeah guys, just check the rims, bro. Just check the rims. Let me show you guys the back of the car. The back of the car. This car is beautiful, man. Beautiful. Oh, this car was freshly painted, well built from scratch. I'm gonna plug the pictures. Oh, another thing that I forgot to show you guys or to tell you guys, all the windows on this car are matching numbers, so that takes the value up by a lot. Yeah, let me show you under the engine bay. It's actually my first time seeing like a Cressida engine like factory. Most of the Cressidas I've seen usually engine swap, V8 or whatever the case, or actually I'm also used to seeing the 3-liter a lot. So this is quite something unique to me, something different to me too. But Toyota ingenuity, guys, can't go wrong with Toyota. Toyota is boss. Don't mind the filthy engine bay. I just came unannounced, so they didn't really have enough time to prep for me. Yeah, because I just came unannounced. And yeah, so as I was saying guys, I came unannounced. Like, it's on my way back home from school. So I was like, let me just pass by Westside Garage. And then I saw this beautiful Cressida parked up here. Then I asked to review it. So don't mind the car being dirty. They didn't have, well, I didn't give them a chance to prepare for me. I was like very eager to really film this car because before it leaves. So guys, let me talk a bit more in detail about this car. I just want to like describe the body lines. Like, you can't have like a Cressida without the front lip, guys. You just can't. Like, imagine you can't drive a Cressida without a front lip. Like, having a Cressida without a front lip just feels so wrong in my opinion. It's like, imagine Conor McGregor without his beard, guys. That would be very interesting, you see guys. So that's literally a Cressida without a lip. The front lip just ties the look of the car overall, guys. Yeah, just imagine Conor McGregor without a beard. The red stripe that goes all the way through the side of the car is really nicely. Like, it ties into the entire look of the car, especially like with the chrome pieces here. This beading is right here. It also ties into the look of the entire car. And as I was saying guys, once again, matching windows. So now time for the interior. As you can see, beautiful brown color interior. I don't know the different shades of brown, so I'm not even going to attempt to be like, hey, I don't know the shades. But beautiful leather interior in the car. The car seats have been recovered right here by Westside Garage. And yeah guys, beautiful leather dashboard, like flawless dashboard, zero cracks. Oh, you can't go wrong with that cluster of a Cressida. Oh guys, auto. Why do you want a manual Cressida? Why? And guys, as you guys know, obviously it's a big car. So on the inside, the Cressida is quite spacious. Like, bro, there's a lot of room, especially for someone skinny like me. Yeah, I'm quite skinny. There's a lot of room, guys. This car is like, yo, and it's huge. Like, it's actually big because I drive a Baby Camry. So this car for me, it's actually huge. Huge, huge, huge. Very spacious. Like, very, like, how many girls can you have in here? A couple. But hey, one girl is enough for me. Lovely car, guys. This is actually my dream car, like one of my dream cars. Like, I have so many dream cars. Like, yo, every day is a new dream car. That's my problem. One day I'm dreaming of a C63S by Turbo 4-door. Then the other day I'm dreaming of box shapes. Then the other day I'm dreaming of Cressida. Well, today's Cressida day because I'm reviewing a Cressida. So when I get home, I'm probably going to be dreaming about this car. And this car is a twin. I'm going to show you the twin outside in a few. Like, literally, you can't tell them apart. But yeah, quite dirty also, but don't mind that. Auto, guys. Auto is the way for a Cressida. Auto is the way. Like, yo. Like, why do you want a manual Cressida? Cressida has to be automatic. Like, ain't no way I want a manual Cressida. I feel like a Cressida has to be automatic. Can't be driving a big boat that's manual, in my opinion. Like, I wouldn't want a manual Cressida, bro. Like, nope. Auto. Faka V8, one Uzi Lexus, got auto box. Perfect. Or even factory, like, just leave the car factory, because these Cressidas, they have like a lot of potential, like a lot. Like, you guys know the 2JZ one, the Nazi one. RIP to that car, guys. That was the best Cressida in the entire world. My heart's still broken. What happened to that car? That was a very nice car, man. 2JZ powered. But anyway, guys, back to this car. So as I was saying, you cannot have a manual Cressida. A Cressida has to be automatic, in my opinion. Like, imagine, because this car's a cruiser, guys. I don't imagine myself buying a Cressida and wanting to go drag race. Like, I might want to do like street pulls with people, but not necessarily go like full on drag racing, like go at commies to drag race. Nope. Highway. Try to put a nice engine, and then on the highway, when you catch me and you pass me, I'm like, aye, got auto box. No manual. So as I was saying, guys, I mentioned something about like Cressidas. They have like a lot of potential, like in terms of engine swap. So let me show you Exhibit A, which is here in front of us. It's a spin car, so but let me show you guys. And guys, here's Exhibit A. This car is actually getting prepped for paint right now. But here's Exhibit A. When I say like Cressidas, like they have like a lot of potential. So yeah, guys, big boy V8. Like, this is the perfect engine for a Cressida. Big boy V8 mounted to the auto box. Perfect. So yeah, guys, I was just showing you guys like the potential of a Cressida. Because like, these things are spacious, but there's like so much space in this thing. Like, once you get rid of all the useless things, there's just so much space. Like, spacious. So guys, as I was saying, here's the other twin. This is the twin I was telling you guys about. Oh, let me go back. But this is the twin I was telling you guys about. Don't mind the flat within the rear, like, please. But this is the twin I was telling you about. Like, this exactly the same spec, same rim, same color, maybe a few difference. Oh, of course the interior is different. Is it locked or open? Of course the interior is blue. But this is the twin also beautiful, guys. Like I was saying, guys, Cressida must be automatic. And then at the back, another Cressida. But as you guys can see, this one is still in original form. The wheels haven't been lipped or stepped. I don't know what's the proper term. Dip-dished, I don't know. But I usually say stepped. Has been standing here for a while, but this one, it's not the one. It's not the one. I don't like manual on a Cressida. Cressida must be auto, guys. Cressida must be auto. But still a lovely car, still straight body. Yeah. So as you guys saw, lovely vlog at Westside Garage. Like, got to shoot the Cressida, and actually I forgot to ask to start the car because actually I was sort of in a rush, so I wasn't really thinking about having the car started because it's normal, man, it's normal. But my bad for that, guys, and I'm not gonna turn back for that now, right? It's too late. And guys, I want a Cressida. Who doesn't want the Cressida, guys? That car's beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Toyota ingenuity at its finest, guys. You can't go wrong with Toyota. You can't. Toyota is the only way, guys. The only way. If Bru was looking me dead in the eye, dog, he probably thinks I'm crazy. He's like, hey. Because yeah. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys.